Cooking is the number one cause of home fires and home fire injuries. This year's Fire Prevention Week campaign titled Serve Up Fire Safety in the Kitchen works to educate everyone about simple but important actions they can take to keep themselves and those around them safe. Now is a perfect time to go through our checklist with Firemen Zane and Sparky.
Hey kids, today we're going to talk about cooking safety. I want to introduce you to my friend Sparky. Where's Sparky? Sparky! Sparky! Get over here. Let's talk to the kids about cooking safety. Let's start out with our first question to ask.
Number 1.
Should grown-ups always pay attention to things that are cooking? Yes, that's right. Someone should always pay attention to things that are cooking in the kitchen.
Number 2.
If a grown-up must leave the kitchen for even a short period of time, do they turn off the burner? Yes, they should.
Number 3.
Are things that can burn, such as dish towels, loose-fitting clothing, curtains, or paper, away from the stovetop? Yes.
Number 4.
Are the stovetop, burners, and oven clean? No spilled food, no grease, no paper or bags. Right.
Number 5.
Are the pot handles turned toward the back of the stove when a grown-up is cooking? That's right.
Number 6.
Should children and pets stay out of the kid-free zone 3 feet from the stove when a grown-up is cooking? That is correct.
Number 7.
Should you open containers slowly when removing from the microwave? Yes, that's right, because hot steam can escape from containers and cause burns.
Number 8.
Does your family have working smoke alarms on every level of the home, outside all sleeping areas, and in all bedrooms? Yes, that's right, they should.
Number 9.
Does your family have a fire extinguisher in the kitchen? Yes, there should always be a fire extinguisher in the kitchen.
Number 10.
Does your family have a home fire escape plan? Yes, it is very important for every family to have a home fire escape plan. Do you practice it often? It is also very important to practice your home fire escape plan.
Thanks for joining Firemen Zane and Sparky today, and remember to serve up fire safety in the kitchen whenever you cook.